I think geography is particularly relevant today because it's a very interdisciplinary subject. It's a subject which is interested in how the world works. So we take concepts and ideas from a lot of different social sciences, but we apply them to the understanding of space and place, which are becoming increasingly important. I think LSE is a fantastic institution to come and study in. Aside from just being one of the best geography departments in the country, we also have an incredible social science institution. We have, for example, a phenomenal public lecture series where you have people who are world-leading experts on issues, which introduces the students to the big ideas and the big debates in the world that are going on today. The city itself is a really interesting place. London is a world city. It's a really exciting place, lots of things to do and see from a social or a cultural perspective. The LSE is in the center of the city. There's going to be no end to activities that students can take part in. We provide a very exciting environment within which students can study, and we care about whether the students are learning in a productive way. We take students on a field trip in the second year to New York. They have an opportunity when they go on the field trip to see the city more generally, but also to do their own independent research projects. And the topics have ranged in the years from questions of gentrification to homeless activism to cultural issues, public space, immigration, so forth. So it can be quite interesting for the students also to understand how the field works and how the ideas and concepts that they're learning in the classroom can be tested out in the field as well. The kind of student that comes to this program tends to be a student that's very motivated, a student who's interested in the world around them, wants to have a broad and an interdisciplinary understanding of the world, and a student who's interested in making a difference in the world. Geography, particularly human geography, has engaged with very topical issues. So if we look at questions of urbanization or urban development or migration, borders, and so forth, these are all subjects that are very central to the discussions of geography. So it's a very important discipline and one that grounds people, those who are studying geography, in contemporary issues in a very useful way.